This is Nera Angel. She's having her examination test. And that is the Filipino subject she has answered. And she have the scratch here so that she can finally answer for her exam. This is the Filipino subject. Let's see that. So that's how they answer. She write down the talata for her subject. So yeah, that's her answers. And she have here, this one is not answered yet. I mean, she didn't have the module for this subject, so I think we have to wait for the module until she got the module so that she can answer the rest of this subject. This is the edukasyon sa pagkakatao, which is the code number name for this is ESP. And this one is also for English. She doesn't have English subject for modules yet, so it's not being discussed. So she need to wait for the module for this before she answer this test, because this is already a final test for the first grading, and that one is Filipino. She done that already, this subject, so that's why we have to wait for the rest of her modules for these two subjects. So I wanted her to answer, but that means she cannot able to answer this because she didn't have the lecture yet. But then yeah, we have to wait so she will understand it's all about for all this. Because I cannot just be the one to answer as a parent. I want her to know herself to answer all these questions in this test paper, which is, I already speak with the teacher, and teacher said, teacher Jane, that she said that wait until the module will arrive, and so that we can answer all this test paper. So we can only answer the Filipino subject for her to finish that, and then after that, so that will be, this one will gonna be later on. We will review this, but we will not finalize to answer on a test paper until she don't have the modules for this subject. So okay, yeah. So guys, I hope you like this video of mine for my Nera Angel Delos Santos. Angel, say click like.
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell button. Bye.
Bye. Love you guys. God bless you.
Love you guys. God bless you.